Thank you for selecting Dundas Jafine's Soffit Dryer Vent. The expected installation time should be approximately 30 minutes, and the tools required are a cutting tool, such as a jigsaw or tin snips, a screwdriver, 4 screws. We suggest using the appropriate type of screw and length for the material you are attaching the vent to, and a 4-inch worm drive clamp. Before beginning installation, please ensure your soffit panel is at least 9 inches wide and you have enough vertical clearance for your duct. Also, clear the soffit area of any insulation and debris. Place the vent with the collar touching the soffit in the midpoint of the soffit. Trace the collar onto the soffit and cut the hole a ½ inch larger than the collar, using either a jigsaw or tin snips. Feed the duct through the soffit opening and attach it to the soffit dryer vent using a 4-inch worm drive clamp. Push the duct and soffit vent into the opening, then mark and pre-drill pilot holes into the soffit panel. Fasten the dryer vent to the soffit panel using the 4 screws. For more information about this product or other Dundas Jafine products, please visit our website at dundasjafine.com.